my friend, he reached out to me saying that his Mercedes is giving trouble. So he said that he heard some noise at the back of it. And when I came and I checked it out, I realized, I hope y'all can see it, that his disc pad, the actual part that stops the car, is worn all the way. So now the rotor is damaged because iron is scraping on iron. Well, I'm not a mechanic, guys. I'm just learning, okay? So y'all are gonna journey with me as I try to do this thing. So yeah, let's go. These are the pads that I'm gonna be changing. Yeah. So y'all gonna journey with me as I change them. Okay, so we're gonna loosen them lug nuts before we jack up the car. Okay. Let me set the camera up. Okay. Nope. Not a good position. Yeah. So I'm loosening them up right now. And feel free to leave y'all comments down below. Feel free to say anything, give any advice. As I said, I'm here to learn. I am not a mechanic, okay? I am not. Okay, so we're gonna jack up the car now. Yep, there it is. Okay, so there is a special tool that Mercedes gives, and this tool, the person, who are trying to steal the car, they don't have this key, it won't work. Here it is. Shape's weird though, but yeah, that's what they use. Okay, so I'm gonna do it on this side first. There it is. Now, when I was younger, my godfather always told me, he always told me, put all your lug nuts back on the car, so that way you don't lose any of them. Why the hell do I sound out of breath? Okay. Got one. There it is. Now, where we're from, in Jamaica, we normally rest the tire under the car like that, just in case the jack might slip, and then the rest on top tire right there. So let's go to the other side and do the same thing. Oops. Back in. I won't forget this time. Oh boy. Guys, you know what I forgot? I forgot to put on my gloves. Give me a second. So, there's an important step that we need to do. And that step, I think I should have done it before I jacked up the car. I'll do better next time. But now I don't want to go sit in the car. Unfortunately, I gotta sit in the car. So you would turn the car on the ignition, just like that.